Jai Hind everybody, my today's lecture topic is India-Russia relation. India is a country which always follow one theme, which is Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, means the whole world is one family. We try our best to build a healthy relation with every nation. And here comes Russia. Our relation with Russia is very good and very strong. If we turn the page of the history, we'll get to know that during the 1971 war, it was Russia which supported and provided help to India to win the 1971 war when the conflicts were going on between the Pakistan and the East Pakistan. And since then, our relation become more fostered and strong. But since in 2025, since Donald Trump came into power, some were trying to affect our relation by putting a lot of tariff and even threatened India if we continue buy crude oil from Russia. USA will put 50% tariff on India, and that is what exactly happened. But we didn't fear and get afraid of it. We continued to buy the oil from Russia. But somewhere or the later we have realized that diversification is very important. If we want to maintain our economy, if we want to grow, if we want to maintain our diplomacy with every nation. So somewhere we are shifted toward USA to buy the oil. But that doesn't mean that our relation has become weak. In Tianjin, at the SCO meeting, we have seen that how Russia, India and China came together. And that was somewhere US President Donald Trump was getting jealous. We have signed a lot of deals. But there is somewhere very shocking that even China also started favoring India. We don't know what is cooking behind. We must be very aware. Not only in the trade, but in the defense sector, we have a very good relation. During the Operation Sindoor, we have seen that how BrahMos missile, S-400 missile has shown its power. And since then, the demand of these missiles has surged. Everyone wants to buy these all from India. By citing all of these, UP Chief Minister, Mr. Yogi Adityanath, has launched one manufacturing unit of BrahMos missile in Lucknow. That is a very big success for India. That is also exemplifying that how relation is our with Russia. Not only that, we have also delivered the BrahMos missile to Philippines few years back. Now Indonesia is also in the line. Indonesia also wants to buy BrahMos missile from India. If this continue happens, if more countries want come and buy all of these from India, that will help India in diversification, in growth, and also maintain the healthy relation with Russia. So in the conclusion, I would like to say that our relation with Russia is very, very good. We are the group of various international government organizations like G20, BRICS, and we have signed a lot of deals, not only in the trade and defense, but other sectors also. But here comes that there will be many countries which do not want and put it dominance. But here we have to maintain a healthy